As a mother of three, every small task feels like a big challenge. But I found my lifesaver.
Hello everyone.
Jared, can you make it for Javier?
Can.
You can do it?
Yes. David, you want milk or not? Yes. Yes. Open. I mean sleep. Yeah, you milk done. Thank you. Good. Yay, and now it's my turn. I feel happy. Now I can make milk myself. It is safe, smart, and convenient. I am Mommy Little Helper and the SnowBear.
My little one help with love and SnowBear help with smart care. One button, perfect temperature. One helper, less stress. There's